Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another keto cooking video. Today we are doing lemon sugar cookies. So for most of my dessert recipes, you know, I use this Keto Sweet Tooth cookbook. It will be linked in the description box down below where you can find it. So for the lemon sugar cookie, sugar is in quotations because it's granular erythritol or any sugar replacement. So for these, you are going to have a total of 2 net carbs per cookie. You're going to get 12 cookies as a serving size, and you want to make sure that you preheat your oven to 355 degrees Fahrenheit. But that is about it for the intro, so let's get baking some cookies. So these are the things that you will need for the lemon sugar cookies. You're going to preheat your oven to 355 as per most of these recipes. So first we have the almond flour, which is 1½ cups we're going to put in the bowl, a 1/3 cup of coconut flour, and then 1/2 teaspoon of the sugar gel or xanthan gum respectively, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to mix it together into a bowl, and I'll show you what it looks like. So in a separate bowl, we're going to add together 1 cup of butter, room temperature, 10 drops of stevia extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and the juice of 2 lemons, and that is going to be mixed together with a electric mixer. So not all the juice soaked up in this, so I'm hoping that it'll suck up better once we add in the flour mixture. So now we're going to put just a little bit in at a time and mix it together. So this is what the dough looks like. Now you're going to take a 1/2 cup of Swerve or your erythritol sugar replacement, and you're going to make them into medium-sized balls and toss them in the sugar. This dough is pretty solid, so it probably won't stick to you too much, but if you don't want it to stick to you, I just recommend putting gloves on. So here are the cookies. I just took a fork and pressed it down this way and then to the side to make the design on them, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 355 for 20 minutes. So this is what the lemon cookies look like now that they're out of the oven. Ours got a little too dark. We didn't even keep them in for the whole 20 minutes, so make sure you watch them whenever you do make them. Hey guys, so my family and I tried the lemon cookies. Not good. Like 2 out of 10, and the only reason I'm giving them a 2 out of 10 is because they did taste like lemon, but they were so dry and just, it wasn't good. Was not good. I do not recommend at all. Could not tell you that you should follow this recipe and bake them, but now you know. If you do buy the book, skip over the recipe because they're just not good. I did not enjoy them. They were so dry. Like that's all I can keep saying is they were so dry. But if for some reason you do want to try them, I will have the ingredients in the description box down below, along with all my social media and the link to my latest article. I am currently writing for my student newspaper and a company called Fashion Mingle, so I will have both of those latest articles linked down below, as well as the websites for both of those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.